Have you ever wondered why only a handful of people seem to achieve massive success, or while most struggle for years? Why do 20% of businesses earn 80% of the profits? Why do 20% of your actions create 80% of your results? This is not a coincidence. This is the power of the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle. And today I'm going to show you how understanding this simple rule can completely transform your life. If you're ready to stop working harder and start working smarter, this might just be the most important lesson you ever learn. Part 1. What is the 80-20 rule? The 80-20 rule was first discovered by Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto in the late 1800s. He noticed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by just 20% of the people. Later, researchers found this principle everywhere, in business, in nature, in everyday life. Simply put, 80% of your outcomes come from just 20% of your efforts. But here's the catch. Most people never realize which 20% actually matters. Part 2. Real-life examples of the 80-20 rule. Think about it. In business, 20% of products generate 80% of the revenue. In your closet, you wear 20% of your clothes 80% of the time. On social media, 20% of your posts bring 80% of your engagement. Even in your personal life, 20% of your habits are responsible for 80% of your happiness or your problems. The secret: find your 20% and double down on it. Part 3. Why most people fail without it. Most people treat every task as equal. They waste precious time, low-value work. They spread their energy too thin and then wonder why nothing changes. But the truth is, success is not about doing everything. It's about doing the few things that actually matter over and over again. When you focus on your 20%, you stop being busy and you start being effective. Part 4. How to apply the 80-20 rule in your life. So, how can you use the 80-20 rule starting today? Step 1. Identify the vital few. Look at your tasks, relationships, or habits. Find the top 20% that brings you the most results or happiness. Step 2. Eliminate or minimize the trivial many. Cut down the 80% of distractions and low-value activities. Step 3. Focus and multiply. Invest more time, energy, and resources into your top 20%. Step 4. Review regularly. Your 20% might change over time. Always adjust, always optimize. Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly where to put your energy. Imagine achieving more by doing less. Imagine designing a life where success is not an accident, but a system. The 80-20 rule is not just a principle, it's a way of life, and the choice is yours. Will you waste your days chasing everything, or will you master the few things that truly move the needle? Remember, focus on the few, forget the rest, and watch your life completely transform. Success is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. If this story touched your heart, if you learned something new today, then be a part of this journey with us. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments what's the 20% in your life that truly matters, because real change starts with clarity. I'll see you on the next journey with even bigger dreams. Until then, stay strong, stay focused, and never stop believing.